Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. How to hire perfect freelancer for your next project from Fiverr. Do you want to know? So this video is all about how you can actually do it. So Fiverr is a platform where you can find all kinds of freelancers from all around the world for every kind of project. Fiverr is a global marketplace packed with skilled freelancers across every industry you can think of. You can browse through thousands of profiles, check ratings, compare packages, and even read real reviews all in one place. So, if you want to hire a perfect freelancer for your next project, here is how you should do it. Start by searching your project needs, then filter by budget, delivery time, or seller level to narrow it down. Check out their portfolio, message them directly with questions, and once you're confident, place your order. Working with freelancers has never been easier, and when you find the right one, it feels like magic. Ready to find out the perfect match? Link is in the description box. Go take a look and hire your next freelancer with confidence. And if this video helped you, don't forget to like, comment, share, and subscribe to the channel. Thanks for watching. I'll see you in the next one.